Hi, I'm here with my friend who's going to talk to us a little bit about insurance. Why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Thank you, Nick. My name is Christian Marrder, and I am the VP of CU Financial Sales and Operations. It's just an insurance broker firm.
Okay, thank you for clarifying that, because even I didn't know what you were talking about. So one of the questions I get most from my clients when I'm looking to help them buy or sell is, why is my premium going up so much? Especially when we're first buying, or maybe they've been in the place for a year and then they get their renewal letter and they're shocked.
Yeah, Nick, that's a very good question. Obviously, we've been encountering that quite a bit now. And the simplest way to explain this is the market is catching up to the rising cost and inflation. So insurance companies have been paying claims for the last 2 years. And I don't have to tell you, but overall, the construction materials and had gone up about 18%, and that includes lumber, asphalt shingles, so the roof. And the cost of those claims are finally catching up to us. When you buy an insurance policy, it's typically 12 months.
Okay.
And so you're locked into that contract and that rate. An insurance company only have a chance to adjust for the market inflation on your renewal. So it's nothing specific to you, but in our state, we've had some catastrophic events.
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately, the frequency and severity have increased, and the cost, the labor, the lumber, and all these add up. And so for the last 2 years, that has dramatically increased, and we're finally starting to see the effects of that, and we're feeling it because everybody's paying a lot more.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, they are. So, just like the cost of lumber has gone up, the cost of housing has gone up as well. How is that affecting people's policies and premiums and those kind of things?
Yeah, and that's a very good question, because it's important for insurance to understand that not only you're getting a rate increase, which is because of what we just explained, but on top of that, the policy contract states that we have to replace, restore, or rebuild with the same like in kind. So what we typically call the coverage A, or dwelling amount, which is the actual reconstruction cost value of the home, because of what we just explained, also has increased. So we don't go by market price on the property, but basically the reconstruction cost evaluation of how much it'll take to build that house back up to the same like in kind. And because of the rising cost of materials, that cost has also increased. So what people are feeling, it's a kind of a double whammy, if you want to call it that way. Not only the increased cost of construction of the current policy, but on top of that, the rate increase of that. So combined, it's causing a lot of pain, and yes, we're all feeling it.
It's just really hitting the pocketbook.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I appreciate you taking the time, Christian. If you guys have any more questions, I'm sure Christian would love to answer your questions. Thanks for watching. This is Nick Boyd, when your family's home matters.